300mm, 11.8 long. Junction box for cable management. Shielded USB-C to USB-C patch cable. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfectly with Android. After going into the advanced settings of my OnePlus Nord Android smartphone, I selected Add-on as the default recorder. Everything works perfectly well. As expected, the genuine product works perfectly. I bought it to connect a Videomic GO II and an Android smartphone. As expected, the genuine product works perfectly. It is a USB-C to USB-C cable and one side is L-type. It was flexible and easy to handle, and it was just the right length. The product description says it is 30 centimeters, but this is the length of the cable only, 35 centimeters including the connector.